It's road trip day, and you know what that means?
Bucees!
Bucees! Woo! Going to Bucees.
Hey, it's time for another
Everyday getaway.
And here we are in Mount Crawford, Virginia.
There we go, Rockingham County for the opening of the newest Bucees. Actually,
Oh, wait, not the newest.
This opened on Monday, June the 30th, and there's one that opened in Georgia on Tuesday.
The 1st.
Yeah,
yep.
July 1st. But it's almost the newest Bucees in the United States, and we're going to check it out and see what sets it apart today. And I think one thing that sets it apart is this. I have never seen that before. I love it.
Okay, let's go inside and check this place out.
The day we visited was July the 3rd, 2025. So this Bucees was just 4 days old.
Our Virginia Bucees is located at exit 240 off of I-81 South in Mount Crawford, which is close to Harrisonburg.
Has one big Bucees. $200 gas pumps, ready to roll.
Bucees in Virginia is open 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. So you can get your Bucees on whenever you want.
These double wide sofa chairs, those are really nice. We've seen the smaller ones before, the singles, and then there's the little guy ones, but the double's cool. And look at this, floating coolers, like it. If you need some cheap ice, Bucees got you covered. It's about $1 for an 8-pound bag, $1.99 for a 16-pound bag, so cheapest ice around.
Hey, if you're looking for a job, Bucees has you covered.
And we believe that it said that the opening of this Bucees brought about 200 jobs so far to this area.
As soon as you walk in, you're instantly surrounded by everything that makes Bucees special. And of course, you'll be greeted with the iconic, cheerful, "Welcome to Bucees!"
For the next few minutes, just sit back, relax, and we're going to take you through Bucees and let you get a look at all of the snack items, the fun, unique things, all of the merchandise and home decor. We'll just take you through and show you a little bit of what they have, what you can pick up your next stop at Bucees.
It's a Texas Roundup here in Virginia.
Beaver Nuggets? Yes, please. One of our favorites. We might as well sample. And you better believe we bought a bag to bring home.
If you like fudge, you will love Bucees. As you can see, they have over 20 different flavors to choose from, or you can buy it, sample packs, pre-packed up with all the different types of flavors.
potato sticks, jalapeno flavored, dill pickle flavored, Cajun, cheddar sour cream, and then all kinds of spices, honeys, and jams. All right, we've got lip smacking mango candy. We've got some watermelon pineapple lip smacking candy. Pineapple, chili, and divine watermelon. All right, the brisket line is long, the workers are happy, and there are all kind of folks waiting to get themselves Buc-ee's lunch. Everybody got their carts full. Buc-ee's merch, Buc-ee's food, Buc-ee's sandwiches. I like this rose gold 32 ounce. Yukon Outfitters. I like the pattern. You can always get a Buc-ee's one though. We've heard these ice cream sandwiches are really good. We've not had them, but I'm thinking today might be the day. We got sugar cookie with strawberry ice cream, sugar cookie with salted caramel ice cream, double chocolate with vanilla, and a chocolate chip with vanilla ice cream. Looks yummy, $3.28 each. Glazed nuts, pecan nuts, making the nuts. And fresh homemade tortillas. Yum. Well, let's look at some home goods and other fun things that they have in the area of merch. Some of these things we'll look at up close. Some we'll just give you a quick view of. If you need a crystal skull, Buc-ee's got you covered. You're at $98 and you can get just a clear crystal skull, or you can get black and white crystal skull. I think on the other side we got blue and white too. Buc-ee's got everything. I went camping so long, I forgot all my passwords. It doesn't take me camping for any length of time to forget them. I just need to walk away from the computer and come back and boom, they're gone. I don't use my blinker because it's nobody's business where I'm going. Never laugh at your wife's choices, you're one of them. 90% of marriage is just shouting what from different rooms. This is like the marriage counseling space here. Mi casa es su casa, but mi taco es mi taco. Alright, I love hydrangeas. This is a beautiful pattern. Oh, we got leather skulls also. Oh, look, it's air flare, including Buc-ee's air fresheners. All right, the baby clothes are too cute. Not in the mood. Speaking of little ones' clothes, this is everything. Look at this. Oh my goodness, at the bottom of this. That little dress. Love it. Decisions, decisions, decisions. But I think the winner is, boom. I think that's it.
Oh my goodness, these are adorable, and I am so looking forward to shopping for whenever we have grandkids. Look at these, adorable. This little guy found a special place to enjoy himself. Buc-ee's, Rockingham, Virginia.
Of course, Gibson's not here with us today, but he probably needs some doggy treats. What do you think? They got donuts. Let's look at a donut. Donuts.
Got some nice coolers, thermal bags. If you've forgotten any of your grilling equipment, coolers, fishing gear, and even to camping. So we've got some camping pillows and blankets, or if you're just outside and enjoying nature, get a little chilly, you can wrap up. But this, I keep telling Doug, I need one of these. He hasn't decided that I do, but I really feel like I do. At least a hoodie or a Bucky neck pillow for our next flight.
Is this the busiest Buc-ee's we've ever been in? I'm not sure. I think the one in Gatlinburg has been busier, but this is busy. All right, check this out. Everybody needs an armrest Buc-ee. I love that. Good way to go, marketing team. Baby Buc-ee. So cute.
I think next time we go, I'm going to get one of these thermal bags. I didn't see those. Doug got this clip, but those seem pretty nice for $2.99. And you can't forget that Buc-ee's has a huge selection of jerky, ranging in flavor, ranging in temperature, so they know they get very hot to mild. And you certainly have to get something from the bakery. Now, they have those kolaches that they are known for in Texas, but their muffins are delicious. The cinnamon rolls and cookies are good. My peach muffin that I absolutely loved, they got rid of about a year ago, but they do have other flavors that are delicious. We like the orange cranberry, I think it's walnut. Their cinnamon rolls are really good. And then they have those beaver tails. So they got lots to choose from in their bakery.
As you can see, they had plenty of coffee offerings, lots of different types here. And they also have a flavor bar that you can add in flavoring to your coffee. And they also had iced coffee right here. And if you like ices, they have lots and lots of flavors of icy.
Well, we have to talk about the world famous restrooms. Green light means that that stall or room is open. Red means they're closed, but we know how clean and nice it is in a Buc-ee's restroom.
I came out of the restroom. Doug was supposed to be waiting on me, sort of around this opening. He's gone. I'm sure he's videoing somewhere. But will I find him? I don't think he'll hear his phone or actually feel the vibration with all this. I think I'm just going to wait in the middle here and hope he shows up. If you haven't had these caramels, they're really good, and their overbites are really good. Haven't found, oh, maybe they're on the other side here. Let's go around. There's Buc-ee bars, but these overbites, these are really good. There's dark chocolate cookies and cream, dark chocolate peanut butter, milk chocolate peanut butter, milk chocolate caramel, but we love the peanut butter one. Oh, and milk chocolate truffle. We like milk chocolate peanut butter. I actually like the dark chocolate ones, but Doug likes the milk chocolate, so that's what we're going with today. All right, these are color changing tumblers. It's a 5-pack, and they each have straws, and they're, I believe, $12.99. That's a good deal. I like those. I like the color books, crayons, not just for kids. I love them myself.
It's like 90 degrees in Virginia today. I've got on the double Bucky shirts because I want to show off my new one. But thank you for being with us today. We invite you to come along on our next everyday getaway adventure. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and join us next time.
Hey, that was a lot of fun.
Yes, it was. I got my new t-shirt on. There was a lady there, they didn't have my size, but there was a worker who was so nice. She said, hey, I'll go get you a shirt your size if you watch my cart. So I watched her workstation and
Yeah, for being as crowded as it was, I thought that the workers were really kind and hard.
they were friendly.
They were like working crazy.
Yes, they were. One gentleman was so patient. I was generally standing there looking for Doug, and all of a sudden I hear somebody say, honk, honk. And I turned around and he had this giant cart, and he was so gracious. I apologized and he just laughed. So they were.
So what stood out to you?
Well, I think the Virginia merchandise is what stood out. That and this sign. This probably is the thing that is most unique to this location. We've been to Buc-ee's in Florida, in Tennessee, maybe Georgia, but I love this sign. It's definitely unique to here. A lot of the merchandise was unique to Virginia, but we were surprised. We're close to Harrisonburg. There was no JMU stuff. They did have UVA and Tech stuff though. Other than that, looked like a great Buc-ee's.
So if you're out driving up I-81, stop by. I'd recommend it.
Stop by. We had a great time. It was very busy, but it wasn't overwhelming.
Every Buc-ee's is busy.
Every Buc-ee's is busy.
It wasn't as bad as Pigeon Forge.
Yeah, Pigeon Forge was still worse. We normally bypass Pigeon Forge now, and we stop in, is it Cooksville?
Yeah, Cooksville, I believe.
So it was a fun time out. This is our 5-year anniversary on YouTube. We started 5 years ago. We will link our High Bridge video, which is our first video we made, to this one. But we would want to thank you for joining us today in our 5-year anniversary.
Hey, take care of yourself.
Take care of others, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Join us on our next adventure.
We haven't been everywhere yet, but it's on our list. But we did just check off Buc-ee's, Rockingham County, Virginia. We should have been playing the license plate game in this parking lot.
Yeah, we probably saw at least 25 different stuff.
I'm sure we did. And now the only thing that's left is finding our way out of this parking lot and back on the interstate. Pray for us.
But we got the air conditioning on, so that's good.
Yes, we do.
Join us on our next adventure as we spend some more time exploring Vancouver, British Columbia, and head out to Alaska.